Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. National Medical Commission had published one advisory on 10th of May 2021 regarding internship completion need to be done from the same medical college where the students have graduated their MBBS from. Earlier to that, on 31st of March 2021, they had published that in case they are not comfortable to do the internship from the same college, they can do from other approved NMC medical college. So on 10th of May, they have actually contradicted their own statement, and now they have revoked it back. Means the students can still do without any inconvenience, can complete their internship from any other NMC approved medical hospital. So before we go in the detail, and I will show you both the notification in detail. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. You can look at the description where we have important ebooks and telegram group. You can download those ebooks and you can join the telegram groups. This is the platform where you will get all the updates related to NEET PG 2021, all updates MBBS related, FMG examination related updates, and AIMS related updates. All the counseling process we will explaining here for all the states, and all India quota, cutoff, expected cutoff, deemed university, fee structure, everything you will be finding. So you can browse through the videos in the channel. So now let's get started. So NMC had actually published the earlier notification. Let me read out that notification for you so you get a better idea. On 31st of March 2021, NMC has given an advisory compulsory rotational internship. The NMC, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, they have given a relaxation to complete the internship not only in the teaching hospital affiliated to medical institution where students is enrolled for his or her MBBS training. In the event of any difficulty due to current pandemic, it can be completed at any other NMC approved medical college hospital subject to satisfaction of the college authorities and the university concerned where the student is enrolled for MBBS training. Further, if allowed to complete the internship in another approved medical institution, there should be no charges levied on the student for completing internship as part of MBBS training. So this advisory on 31st March, it clearly states that you can complete your internship from any other NMC approved medical hospital. Suppose you have done your MBBS from Maharashtra and you stay in Uttar Pradesh. In COVID-19, it's very difficult to travel and it's not safe and not advisable. Keeping the same thing in mind, they allowed you to complete your internship from a nearby hospital in Uttar Pradesh near to your residency, so that you face minimum amount of difficulty. Contradicting its own advisory on 31st of March, they had released advisory on 10th of May, guidelines for internship posting. In that advisory, they mentioned 2 points. The first point is internship should be completed in the medical college where the medical graduate completed their final MBBS, and mutual transfer of internship is possible only under exceptional situations. Mutual transfer will be only between government medical college or only between private medical colleges. So government to government medical college, it means you studied from government medical college, you can do your internship from other government medical college, you can't do from private medical college. Okay, and in case you have done your MBBS from private medical college, you can do from other private medical college only, that too in very exceptional situation. No intern can exchange between private and government colleges or vice versa. So now the notification they released on 10th of May, they have taken it back. So they cancelled it because they were contradicting their own statement. First time they gave relaxation on 31st of March for the interns who want to complete their internship. So everybody would like to complete from the nearest possible private or government hospital, whichever is nearest. On 10th of May, when the number of cases per day is much higher compared to 31st of March. Now they contradicted their statement, and they revoked all the relaxation given for the internship completion. Due to the pressure created upon them, they have revoked this bad decision, and now the final decision is you can continue with the advisory given by NMC on 31st of March. It means you can complete your internship from your nearby private or government hospital. It doesn't matter you have completed your MBBS from government college or medical college. You can complete your internship in the nearby, wherever you feel comfortable, hospital, whether it's private or government. So that's a decision came into the favor of students and interns. So that's it from this video from my side. We keep on posting all the updates. For such updates, if you are interested and you like our content, you can like our videos and you can subscribe the channel so that you get it on timely updation, and you don't miss anything if anything is very beneficial particularly to you. So with this I conclude this video, and I hope all of you are taking care of your health in this critical situation, and I pray to God for all of you that you keep well, and if you are not in good health condition, then you get recover quickly. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.